Hello everyone and welcome back again to day 8. So when I was recording the snowy vinyasa flow, it ended up being a little bit faster than I wanted it to be. And it required good prior knowledge of the poses and good prior balance. So this will be a much more easygoing, much more beginner level of the vinyasa flow. So if you want to try the more intermediate option, it's more almost like a workout, then go ahead and check that out. I will link it somewhere here. But if you're ready to get started with the beginner version, then meet me at the back of the mat. We're gonna again start on the shins, but you can always come down into easy pose, whichever feels better for you. So feet under the knees. A lot of people don't like, I say this a lot of people don't like sitting on top of the shins here. It can be a little tight for the knees. So make sure you find your comfortable seat and take a couple deep breaths, arrive where you're at. Notice what you can hear around you, what you can feel around you. One more deep breath. Breathe down all the way to the bottom of the lungs. Bring that attention into the present. All right. So let's warm the shoulders up a little bit before we get started. To begin, inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, open into our cactus arms. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, open. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, open. Inhale, reach up again. Link that breath. Vinyasa is about linking breath. So link breath to your movement. And this, I love introducing warm-ups which allow us to do that, just beginning to introduce the breath and the movement. Feel free to add a little mini cat-cow at the back. Very nice. Bring it back down. Come into that tabletop position. We'll be moving like water today, so very slowly tuck those toes under, take a breath. Then exhale, peel the hips up and back, come into your downward facing dog. Take a nice bend in the knees if you need that, no worries. I'm just going to begin with a nice Sun Salutation A to further warm up the rest of the body. But take 2 more breaths here. Nice, walk up between the hands, come into your halfway lift. We'll slide the hands up today to make this a little bit more accessible. Exhale, bend the knees, fold forwards. On the next inhale, press into the legs, round up, connect the palms. Exhale, bring the hands down through the middle. Take a breath. All right, let's begin with the Sun Salutation. Get the feet hip width distance apart. Inhale, reach up. Add a back bend if you'd like that. And exhale, fold forwards, bend the knees. Nice and gentle today. Inhale, halfway lift. Roll the shoulder blades down the back. Exhale, place the hands on the mat. Step it back to your plank. Take a breath. On the next exhale, knees down to the mat, shift forwards and down. Inhale, lift the chest. Cobra. Keep the feet and legs together. Elbows tucked in. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a breath, bend the knees. Let that back lengthen. On the next inhale, walk up between the hands. Halfway lift. If you still have trouble walking up, it's often a good idea to just turn to the side a little bit and then help the foot up, or shift it up with the hand. Exhale, fold forwards. Inhale, rise all the way up. Add a little back bend. Exhale, bring the hands down through the middle. Very nice. Take a breath. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold forwards. Inhale, halfway lift. You can slide the hands up on the knees, roll the shoulder blades down the back. Exhale, step it back to plank. Take a breath. Exhale, we're gonna just lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog, bend the knees. Take a breath or two. All right, we're gonna be flowing constantly, but we're gonna keep it slow motion. Here we go. On the inhale, raise the right leg up. Nice and slow, three-legged dog. Bend the knee if you need to. Exhale, slowly bring it through the middle. If you need to, you can bring it around the side. Step it between the hands. Lower the left knee down to the mat. If you need a cushion, go ahead and pause the video and grab one for that knee. Or don't put your weight on the kneecap, put it in front of the kneecap. And then from here, inhale, rise up. And exhale, open the arms, cactus. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands down to the mat. Inhale, lift off of the left leg. Exhale, step that right foot back. Take a breath. Next, exhale, lower forwards and down, or just head to your downward facing dog. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a breath. Here we go, other side. Get a nice base on the left foot. Inhale, slowly raise the left leg up. Sorry, get a nice base on the right foot. I think I said left. Exhale, bend the knees. Slowly bring it in through the middle, nice and controlled. Step it between the hands. Lower the right knee down to the mat. Get a nice base. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, open the arms. Take one breath. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands back down to the mat. Lift the left leg off the mat. Step it back into plank. Either head to down dog, or on the exhale, knees down, forwards and down. Inhale, lift, cobra. Exhale, then downward facing dog. Take a breath here, bend the knees if you need to. Very nice. Inhale again, raise the right leg up. Nice and slow. Exhale, bring it into the chest. Bring the knee about 90-degree angle, place it down on the mat. Shift that left foot so you're now based on the left foot. Right hand comes into the middle. Inhale, raise the left arm up and over the head. Inhale, back to the middle. Left hand down in the middle of the mat, or to the side of the mat. Right hand back to the side. Lift the right leg up. Exhale, three-legged dog. Lower it back down. Other side, here we go. Inhale, raise the left leg up. Three-legged dog. Exhale, bring it into the middle. Shift onto the side of the knee. Flip the right foot, left hand in the middle of the mat. Inhale, reach up and over. So we did this one yesterday with the hatha flow. It's a really nice side stretch. And gentle hip opener. Very nice. Inhale, right arm back. Bring it around, place it down on the mat. Lift the left leg up. And shift up and back, three-legged dog. Exhale, bring the leg back down. Take a breath, downward facing dog. From here, inhale, slowly raise that right leg up. Exhale, bring it into the chest. Step it between the hands. Get a nice base, take a breath here. Make sure the feet are about hip-width distance apart. And inhale, we're gonna rise up. Reach the arms up, then grab onto the elbows. Open the chest. Very nice. Exhale, swing that left arm down to the mat, right arm around and up. Open into the side angle pose. Exhale, right hand down to the mat. Inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale, step it back. And this time, maybe take your flow. Bring the knees down to the mat, forwards and down. Inhale, lift, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. So that little flow there is actually called the Vinyasa flow. We do it in most sequences, or I teach it in most sequences. It's really nice to reset back to downward dog. Inhale, here we go. Lift the left leg up. Exhale, bend the knees, slowly bring it in to the middle. Step it between the hands. Get a nice base, feet hip-width distance apart. Inhale, rise up. Grab on to the other elbow if you remember which one you grabbed onto first. Exhale, raise the arms back up, right hand down to the mat. Left arm sweeps up and around, revolved side angle pose. This is tricky for you. You can always use a block under the hand. Just modify. Exhale, hand back down. Step the left foot back. Take your flow. Or head down dog. Very nice. One more breath here. Here we go. Inhale, raise the right leg up. Exhale, bend the knee nice and slow between the hands. Take a breath here. From here, we're going to tuck the right arm underneath the right leg, just like this. Then inhale, open back to that side angle pose. Okay, so option one, right hand down to the mat, rise up straight like we did before, and then open to the right, if you can hold. It doesn't have to be very wide open. Then bring, for option two, left arm back on the mat. Inhale, open the arm, and then maybe rise up with your hands here, and then maybe reach for that back left leg. Then inhale, raise the left arm for a lunge twist. Exhale, whichever one you picked, windmill it back down. Inhale, raise the right leg up, step it back, and take your flow. Knees to the mat if you need it. Inhale, lift, cobra, or upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Maybe I'll find an ocean soundtrack for this one since we are like slow waves flowing. Here we go. Inhale, raise the left leg up nice and slow. Exhale, bend the knee, bring it through the middle. Step it between the hands. Tuck that left arm under, and then inhale, open. Side angle pose. Again, option one here. Well, for first, we're going to tuck the arm under, or rise up into your high lunge with the arms straight out in front of you. But option 2 here, open again and then windmill it up. Maybe grab onto the right leg with the left arm. Again, option 1 is here or here. A little less intense and open. Exhale, windmill the hands back down. Step the left foot back. Take a breath and then take your flow. Exhale. This time come into your child's pose. Ah, very nice. Take a couple deep breaths here. That's our flow done there. Now we'll just cool down. Very nice. Inhale, rise up. Shift the legs to the side. And scoot the bottom to the middle of the mat. From here, exhale, make your way to your back. Tuck the knees in and bring the soles of the feet together. So from here, either grab onto the feet here and just hold like this. Try and bring those legs in. Keep the butt grounded here if you can. And then if you're able to do that, maybe hold on to the ankles and just open a little bit. This is still a little difficult for you, that's okay. Keep it down here, work on the hips, work on the legs. But maybe you're able to grab the soles of the feet and peel open a little bit more to create almost like a right angle with the calf and the thigh. Breathe a little bit, just open the hips. This is called happy baby pose. I love this pose. Great cool down. Very nice. Release it back down. Whenever you're ready, you can try and use the abs to rise on up. Come into a seat. And we'll finish off with one little bow down forwards and create like a last little wave here. All right, inhale, reach up. Exhale, bow down forwards. Inhale, rise up. And we'll finish there. So thank you so much for joining me. Let me know in the comments which type of yoga you like more. And if you did try the intermediate one, let me know how it went. But there's always this one to come back to if you did like this nice little vinyasa flow. See you tomorrow for day 9.